As marine enthusiast numbers surge, even desk-bound typists and gamers are taking to the water on weekends, driving massive demand for reliable bilge pumps. Keeping water out of your vessel requires dependable equipment. This guide evaluates top market options based on their activation mechanism, switch type, corrosion-resistant build quality, compact housing layout, and overall long-term aquatic value.
Product number 1. Submersible Boat Bilge Water Pump 12V 1100 GPH Non-Automatic Marine Electric Bilge Pump for ponds, pools, spas, silent, boat, caravan, RV. For boaters seeking maximum water displacement without paying a premium, this 12V 1100 GPH non-automatic submersible pump offers an extraordinary blend of high flow power and quiet operation. Engineered to move up to 1,100 gallons per hour, it swiftly evacuates accumulated bilge wine, rain overflow, or splash accumulation from small to medium boats, RVs, ponds, and spas. Because this is a non-automatic model, it relies on an external manual switch or a separately wired float switch to trigger operation. This offers distinct advantages for marine DIYers who prefer manual control over their electrical systems or want to integrate custom dual switch setups. The motor features ignition protection and moisture-tight seals, housing a stainless steel shaft that actively resists saltwater and chemical corrosion. The base incorporates a quick-release snap-off strainer layout, allowing you to clear trapped debris, leaves, or mud without using special tools. Operating almost silently underwater, its low-vibration brushless motor runs cool without draining battery reserves rapidly. Delivering high-volume output, durable marine construction, and multi-purpose adaptability across boats, caravans, and backyard water features, this 1100 GPH unit represents exceptional value for budget-conscious watercraft owners.
Product number 2. SEAFLO 06 Series Automatic Submersible Bilge Pump, 750 GPH, 12-volt, 3/4-inch outlet, 4-year warranty. All-in-one pump and float switch, snap-off strainer, compact marine boat yacht bilge pump, CE and Rojas. SEAFLO is an established leader in marine fluid handling, and their 06 Series 750 GPH automatic submersible bilge pump highlights why the brand remains a primary choice for boat builders and leisure sailors alike. Designed as an all-in-one compact unit, it integrates both the electric pump and an internal electronic float switch into a single sleek marine housing. The integrated automatic switch type eliminates the need for a separate float switch installation, significantly saving space in cramped bilges. The pump automatically powers on when water reaches a depth of roughly 2 inches and shuts down when water drops back below 3/4 of an inch. Equipped with an internal anti-airlock protection system, the 750 GPH pump prevents motor burnout caused by trapped air bubbles in the impeller chamber. Its rugged ABS plastic shell is impact-resistant, non-corrosive, and features a snap-off strainer base that makes routine cleaning virtually effortless. The 3/4-inch discharge outlet fits standard marine hose fitting snugly. Backed by a standout 4-year manufacturer warranty alongside CE and Rojas safety certifications, the SEAFLO 06 Series delivers worry-free automatic water removal, high-tier build quality, and unmatched peace of mind for boat, yacht, and kayak owners.
Product number 3. DOTMIS 750 GPH Automatic Submersible Bilge Pump, 12V Boat Bilge Pump with float switch, high-flow 3-blade impeller, snap-off strainer, 3/4-inch outlet, compact all-in-one for boats, RV, ponds, and pools. The DOTMIS 750 GPH Bottomatic Submersible Bilge Pump brings heavy-duty, hands-free liquid evacuation to compact watercraft and household utility projects. Engineered with a specialized high-flow 3-blade impeller, this pump moves water with high efficiency while consuming minimal 12V DC power, keeping battery drain down during extended anchorage. As an all-in-one automatic unit, it features a built-in mechanical float switch that monitors water levels continuously. As soon as bilge water rises, the float activates the motor automatically, eliminating the need for manual monitoring or external control panels. The motor shaft is crafted from marine-grade stainless steel, wrapped in moisture-proof seals, preventing water intrusion and wire corrosion even in harsh saltwater environments. The physical layout centers around a compact footprint equipped with a universal 3/4-inch outlet port, allowing for rapid drop-in replacement in narrow bilge compartments. The snap-off strainer base prevents dirt, scales, and floating debris from clogging the 3-blade impeller, ensuring smooth water flow. Ideal for small powerboats, fishing skiffs, RV basements, and garden pond maintenance, the DOTMIS 750 GPH pump offers dependable automatic protection at an accessible price. Product number 4. AquaStrong Sump Pump 1 HP 4500 GPH Submersible Water Pump, Thermoplastic Portable Utility Pump, high-flow water removal for swimming pool, garden pond, basement window wells with 10-foot long power cord. When faced with massive water intrusion, heavy storm runoff, or emergency vessel flooding, Traditional low-flow marine pumps fall short. The AquaStrong 1 HP submersible utility pump brings industrial-grade water removal power to extreme situations, pumping a staggering 4,500 gallons per hour to clear flooded spaces in record time. Powered by a robust 1 HP motor housed in corrosion-resistant thermoplastic, this heavy-duty pump is built to move serious volume. While primarily an AC-powered utility pump suited for dockside shore power, basements, swimming pools, and window wells, its massive GPH rating makes it an indispensable emergency tool for large boat owners tied up at docks during heavy rainfall or bilge crises. The layout features an ergonomic top handle, a 10-foot power cord, and multi-size discharge adapters that connect seamlessly to standard garden hoses or heavy discharge pipes. Thermal overload protection prevents motor overheating if run dry, while the bottom intake screen filters out solid debris up to 1/5 of an inch. For boaters with shore power access or homeowners needing heavy-duty emergency drainage, the AquaStrong 4500 GPH pump offers unmatched high-volume muscle.
Product number 5. SeaSense Hand Bilge Pump. Self-priming, manual bilge pump for water removal on small boats, kayaks, canoes, bilges, or any place water collects. Electronics and automatic switches can fail, which is why every prepared mariner keeps a high-quality manual pump on board as an absolute necessity. The SeaSense Hand Bilge Pump is a self-priming, manual siphon pump designed to remove standing water quickly from small craft, kayaks, canoes, dinghies, and tight bilge corners without requiring electrical power or batteries. Crafted from high-impact, corrosion-proof synthetic materials with a stainless steel piston shaft, the SeaSense pump is light, highly portable, and completely impervious to saltwater deterioration. The self-priming mechanism creates an instant vacuum stroke, pulling water into the barrel and discharging it through the included flexible hose with every push and pull of the ergonomic handle. Its slim, barrel-style layout allows you to reach into tight spaces, under seats, or directly into kayak footwells where submersible pumps cannot fit. It requires zero electrical wiring, making it the ultimate backup safety tool for unexpected battery failures or emergency water clearing. Durable, lightweight, and perpetually ready for action, the SeaSense Hand Bilge Pump is an essential safety staple for watercraft of any shape or size.
Product number 6. SEAFLO 06 Series Automatic Submersible Bilge Pump, 750 GPH, 12V, 3/4-inch outlet, 4-year warranty. All-in-one pump and float switch, snap-off strainer, compact marine boat yacht bilge pump, CE and Rojas. Because reliable automatic bilge pumps are vital for boat safety, the SEAFLO 06 Series 750 GPH Automatic Submersible Bilge Pump earns a second highlight on our list for dual pump setups or twin bilge configurations. Featuring the same robust all-in-one architecture, this unit combines high efficiency, seamless automatic operation, and exceptional long-term reliability. The primary benefit of deploying a secondary SEAFLO 06 Series unit lies in redundancy. Equipping a primary and secondary automatic pump ensures that if main power drops or high water overwhelms a single intake, the second 750 GPH pump kicks in to double your evacuation capacity. The built-in electronic float switch activates reliably as water rises, eliminating external wiring clutter and simplifying dual-bank electrical layouts. The unit's marine-grade thermoplastic shell, anti-airlock design, and stainless steel hardware ensure it withstands years of exposure to oil-tainted bilge water and salty air without deteriorating. The snap-off strainer makes routine cleaning quick, while the 4-year warranty provides unmatched manufacturer backing. For boat owners building a dependable dual-pump defense system or replacing an aged unit, the SEAFLO 06 Series represents the gold standard in automatic marine bilge control.
Selecting the best bilge pump comes down to understanding your vessel size, power availability, and safety requirements. Whether you choose the high-flow manual control of an 1100 GPH non-automatic, the hands-free reliability of the SEAFLO 06 Automatic Series, the emergency power of AquaStrong, or the essential backup security of a SeaSense hand pump, reliable water removal protects your investment. Choose your setup, test your pumps regularly, and enjoy smooth sailing.